Hello and welcome back to another mind-blowing video on nails. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. As always, know this channel is your go-to destination for latest and most stylish nail designs. So if you love trending nails, if you love most stylish nails, you want to be updated on latest nail trend, just do subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe and hit on your bell notification so that you get notified immediately a new video is being posted in the channel. So if it's your first time coming across my channel, you are most welcome. To my returning viewers, thanks for always coming back to watch our videos. You guys know that I love and appreciate every one of you. Thanks for the support. You are the reason why this channel is bubbling. Please guys, keep supporting us and trust me, we'll keep bringing mind-blowing video. When I say mind-blowing, I mean exceptional nails ideas, to take your nail game to the highest level. Yes, if you're a nail lover, trust me, we got you covered on this channel. We bring beautiful and latest designs. So guys, do join us today, okay? And we'll keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. Thank you so much as you join us. So guys, today we have beautiful and elegant nails ideas. Yes, these are trending and unique designs. Okay, so do watch it from beginning to the end. Trust me, you definitely love this one, for they are so unique and beautiful. Okay, we have it in different lengths, like long length, short length, medium size, whichever one you prefer is in this video. And we also have it in different nail designs, cute nail arts. Okay, these are press-on nails, so just watch it to the end and select your favorite slide. And as you watch our videos, kindly do well to support us by liking the video. Also share to your loved ones so they can be part of this video. And please guys, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Do you like press-on nails? Just let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys, and as we'll be looking forward to seeing you again in our next video. Bye.